Welcome to the another video of the electric drive. Here we'll discuss one numerical. Let us say a motor is there and the motor is having an inertia J equals to 1.2 kg meter square and it is rotating. Its rating is N0, that is 1000 RPM. Okay, so that's the motor specification. Now four number of loads are connected. So load 1, it is rotational load and it is supposed to rotate at 200 Newton meter, 200 RPM, and the weight of this load is 7 kg meter square, and the torque applied torque by this load is 10 Newton meter. So this is torque, the inertia, this is the speed and the type of load. Second, we have the rotational load with the same speed of 200 RPM. Inertia is 5 kg meter square. Torque is 6 Newton meter. Third is the translation motion. Having the speed is equal to 10 meter per second. Inertia is 10 kg. And the torque, here it will not be torque, the force or inertia and mass. So here it will be that velocity is in meter per second. So you have got rotational is RPM and the velocity is meter per second. So the force here is 20 Newton. And the fourth again translation. So here the speed is 10 meter per second, weight is 20 kg, weight by the load, and the force is 30 Newton. Weight of the load is 20 kg and 30 Newton. So since we learned in the previous numerical that how to get the equivalent inertia, J equivalent, and also what else is given, there is efficiency is not given, gear is obviously there because this rotational speed is, motor speed is 1000 RPM and the load speed is 20 RPM, so obviously this gear term will come, and translation motion velocity is given, so just it should be okay. Now we can write that what is J equivalent is equal to, let us say this is motor inertia is J0. So we can write J0 plus, and let us say for load, every load we will say J1, and we can also write now so that A is equal to omega L by omega M. If I write 2 pi N L by 60 divided by 2 pi Nm by 60, so it is nothing but N of L by N of M, and which is equals to 200 by 1000, that is 0.2, correct? So this value is 0.2 square plus J2, same 200 RPM, so this will also be 0.2 square, and then linear motion is there, mass is there, so mass is 10. So let me write here mass, the velocity is V by omega M whole square, let us say M1 or M3, M4, the fourth load is M4 it having the same velocity by omega m whole square. So let us substitute the value. 1.2 plus J1 is how much? 7. This one 7 into 0.2 square, 5 into 0.2 square, m3 is how much? 10 kg, v is 10 meter per second, omega m is 2 pi 1000, 2 pi n divided by 60. 60 will go up. M4 is how much? 20. 10 is the velocity. Same omega, 2 pi 1000 into 60 square. So if we do like this, we will solve it and you will get, this is 1.2, this is 0.28, 0.2, 0.09118, and this is 0.18237, and that comes out to be 1.9535 kg meter square. That's the value of J equivalent. Now, what's the value of the load torque TL? So, TL equivalent we can write TL is equal to TL1, that is 10 Newton meter, into A, TL2 into A, force into velocity. The force is equal to force into velocity, so instead of velocity, V by omega m, F1, another is F2, Newton, it is given in force, V by omega m. So here velocity is same for both, so these things will be same. So the TL1 is 10 into A is 0.2, TL2 is 6, A is 0.2, F1 is how much? 20, 10 by omega m. So we just take these values of 2 pi 1000 by 60 plus F2 is 30. So 20 plus 30 we can do is simply write here 50. Right, because these are the same values of V by omega m. So if I calculate this, this will be coming around 2 plus 1.2 plus this will be coming around 6 addition 7, 4. So that comes down to be 7.9 round figure, 196 Newton meter. So once we have got our total torque and we have got what is the total torque only. So if I multiply the torque with the omega m, we'll get the total power. So this will be coming around 7.9. This is nearly, I've neglected some part here. This is not like this. This is 6. This will be not 6. This is 7. Right. So otherwise, it's for some small decimal, your answer will be different. Into 2 pi into 1000 divided by 60. This is coming around 835.08 watt. If I make it more accurate, this is 4 5s there. So like that you will get 4 5. Right, this much. So here you get the value of the in wattage, 835.08 watt. The value of TL. Thank you very much.